Plenty of crowd support here. They're all ready to get this event underway. Up next, it's Canada versus China. Well, I'm looking forward to this one. Can't wait for it all to start. In the commentary box for us, Alison Kirbishley.
Thanks, Sam. Well, there's the confirmation then of who's going to be going head-to-head in this match.
0-0.
Needs to set the tone with a good first serve here.
0-1.
Playing so well there and quite rightly take the point as a result.
1-1.
Great pressure from the other side of the table. He just wasn't up to scratch there.
2-1.
Rally starting to build. That backhand will test his opponent. Forehand keeps the rally going. Tries for the smash. It's a good return to him, but what a forehand. Brings the backhand shot into play. He just couldn't handle it there. He needs to really focus more now.
1-3.
Oh, he just couldn't handle it there. He didn't have the answers.
1-4.
What a shame. He's trailing here. And the difference between the two players is getting bigger. No doubting at all. Great play out there. And he deservedly takes the point. Looking to force the errors. And it's the forehand back over the net. Neither player prepared to give an inch on this rally. Well, he's trailing there after that point lost. And it's quite a large difference between the two players now.
2-6.
Well, we're one game into this match now, so let's take a look at the scoreboard.
0-0.
It's the first service of the second game now, and of course it needs to be a good one. The crowd go wild and they respond. What a point won.
0-1.
Awesome use of the table there. Good work from him to win the point down the line.
2-0.
No speed lost on the ball there with the backhand.
3-0.
Well, he won't be complaining, will he? He's doing really well out there, developing into a nice lengthy lead. Rally starting to build. Precision play with the backhand. Really can't afford to lose any focus now with this rally. That's got to be hard to read with the side spin.
0-5.
So the rally really starting to take shape. That's a vicious side spin. Well, he really won't be happy with that. He loses the point there with that play.
5-1.
Has he got more of that in the locker? Great play from him to win the point.
6-1.
So the rally's starting to take shape. Well, he really has clawed his way back into this match to take it to a third and final game. It's 1-1.
0-0. 0.
Well, we're underway now in the final game. What have they got in store for us? Setting the court alive with their play. Absolutely deserve that point. Crowd starting to get into the game as the rally starts building. Well, forces his opponent's error there. He quite rightly takes the point for that. That side spin's got to be hard to handle.
3-0.
Well, he really is starting to dominate the match now. Another point won as he extends his lead. Oh, after that mistake, he really does look to the team bench for some answers. Well, he was simply just not good enough there, and he's going to lose the point on that one.
4-2. 4-3.
Wow, that backhand, what a joy to watch. There we go with the side spin shot. That really is testing. What an incredible rally. The crowd are really loving this. Oh, he means business with that side spin. Playing on the backhand. Well, confidence is clearly starting to grow, and it's another point won for him. Can he start to really build a significant lead now? Good, solid play to take the point there. Can he build on it now?
Match point. 3-6.
All the hours of hard work and training, and it comes down to this, match point. This rally really starting to take shape now. Well, it certainly was a real nail-biter of a match, but in the end, he takes the victory, 2 games to 1. Well, I'm afraid that concludes all the table tennis action for the moment from here at XL London.